Spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though. Wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want.
Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. Today's whole agenda is focused around the photo shoot that I've told you guys about. If you haven't been following, I have an article coming out regarding a YouTube video. So being photographed for that today, great. A bit nervous. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and joining our little community. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't mind my voice, I have literally just woken up. If you guys missed yesterday's video, pretty sure there was a spider, a huntsman the size of my entire face inside the car. Oh, I just want a new car now. Can we please just sell it? I fully do have footage yesterday of the whole spider incident, but it was on Dylan's terrible phone, so I didn't include it in the video. I'm actually feeling a little stressed. I'm not ready. Obviously hair and makeup is not done. I haven't picked an outfit. I haven't set up the set. The house is messy. I'm gonna write the quickest list. I'm going to sort it out in priorities and we're gonna smash it out. It's really my only plan of action. That or go cry in a corner. That can be what the photographer gets. Me crying in a corner.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da.
Currently running around like a headless chook trying to get ready, and if you can see that, I'm not fixing it right now.
I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh,
I've just finished making some lunch. I haven't cleaned up anything yet. I figured I'd just do it with you guys, but I'm gonna eat this and then we'll get started.
It's supposed to be making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said,
Mum. 13 words. She can make 2 different beat sounds to 2 different songs. She knows how to make a monkey sound and a dog sound, and still no mum. Having a good time? Okay, now that the house is clean, I'm gonna go bask in that beauty for the next 20 minutes before it becomes a mess again. Quick shout out of the day. I want that one to go to Casey Brown here on YouTube. She does Get It All Done With Me's cleaning, nursery organizations, day in the lives. Please go check her out and send her my love. Link down in the description box below. And the comment of the day is from Rock. That is, laundry mountains magically appear in my house. At least this is how I see it. I can never keep up. Great video. Honestly, I know exactly how it happens. I'll have none like today, and I've just started another mountain because you've got none. You're like, oh, I'll just leave that there. And then the second pile is, I'll just add that onto it, and then it literally just starts to become a mountain. That's how it works for me. I wish I could say it magically happens, but it is totally self-inflicted on my behalf. Thank you so much for the comment. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, but other than that, I'll see you back here tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 15! Bye!